Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Niftana Hadida. I'm from class 91. And today I will tell you about the story of Princess Manjalika. Once upon a time in Lombok, there was a kingdom named Kuripine. The king of Kuripine is very wise. He had a daughter named Mandalika. She was so beautiful. Many princes wanted to marry her because the undead would be his son-in-law. The best one would be Malika's husband. On the day of the competition, two princes shot their arrows. All of them did it perfectly. The king found it difficult to court. Therefore, the princess began to feed and kill cat turtle. Princess Mandalika was so desperate. She didn't want anyone killing each other. Because of her that's why she decided to go to sea. She dated the Sun Sea of Lombok. The king and princess were signed for every year. Usually in February or March, people go to the Sunshine. On that day, a great number of worms come out from the sea. People call this from its nyali. People believe that its nyali are Princess Mandalika's hair. This is a story from me. Thank you for listening. Sorry for the mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.